Do you know that common nerve-related conditions like neuropathic pain and peripheral neuropathy affect millions of people worldwide? Welcome back. Today, we will uncover the 9 supplements that could help you regain nerve function and repair nerve damage. As a bonus for you to watch till the end, we will be sharing a nutrient that can be found in foods loved by many. So do watch on. And if you like this video, do give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Nerves are the body's communication system, transmitting messages between the brain and the body. They control muscles, regulate organs, and ensure harmony. However, nerve damage can significantly impact daily life and health, causing discomfort, pain, mobility issues, and emotional distress. Neuropathy, a common form of nerve damage, is often linked to diabetes and can lead to complications like foot ulcers and infections. Without further ado, here are the 9 supplements for strengthening your nerves. Number 9. Vitamin B1, thiamine. Vitamin B1 is crucial for neurotransmitters, enabling nerve cells to transmit messages throughout the body. However, deficiency can lead to nerve damage known as beriberi. This condition affects the heart and circulatory system, while the nervous system is primarily affected. Symptoms include fatigue, muscle weakness, poor coordination, tingling sensations, difficulty walking, and memory problems. Vitamin B1 can be found in whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, lean pork, and fish. Including vitamin B1 in your diet can help maintain optimal nerve function. Number 8. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine. Vitamin B6, a crucial nutrient for the nervous system, is essential for efficient nerve cell communication and influencing muscle movements and sensory perception. A deficiency can lead to nerve problems like numbness, muscle weakness, and difficulty walking. To ensure adequate intake, it is essential to consume a variety of foods including poultry, fish, chickpeas, whole grains, avocados, and bananas. Ensuring a balanced diet is essential for maintaining optimal nervous system function. Number 7. Vitamin B12, cobalamin. Vitamin B12 is crucial for nerve cell health and myelin production. Deficiency can lead to nerve damage, including numbness, difficulty walking, and memory issues. To ensure adequate intake, eat meat, fish, dairy products, eggs, and fortified foods. For vegetarians or vegans, fortified cereals and plant-based milk alternatives are beneficial. However, older adults and those with certain medical conditions may struggle to absorb vitamin B12 from food alone, so supplementation is a practical option. If you are wondering if you are deficient in vitamin B12, do check out my other video on vitamin B12 deficiency in the link above and down below in the description box after you have finished this video. Vitamin D3, cholecalciferol. Vitamin B3 is a crucial fat-soluble vitamin that regulates calcium levels in the body and plays a vital role in nerve function. Its receptors help nerve cells transmit signals effectively, which is essential for muscle movements and sensory perception. Vitamin D deficiency can lead to symptoms like muscle weakness, pain, and impaired balance, affecting mobility and quality of life. To ensure adequate vitamin D3 supply, do get sufficient exposure to sunlight. Dietary sources like fatty fish, egg yolks, fortified dairy products, and certain mushrooms can also be beneficial. However, it is essential to be mindful of safe sun practices and avoiding prolonged exposure during peak sunlight hours. Supplements, particularly in the form of vitamin D3, can help meet daily requirements. If you'd like to learn more on vitamin D, do check out my other video on vitamin D deficiency symptoms, causes, and remedies in the link above and down below in the description box. Number 5. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s, particularly EPA and DHA, are crucial for nerve cell membranes, maintaining fluidity and integrity. They also offer anti-inflammatory benefits, protecting and supporting nerve cells from chronic inflammation. They also promote nerve regeneration, ensuring optimal function. These fatty acids can be found in animal and plant-based sources, such as fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. ALA, which is another type of omega-3, can also be converted into EPA and DHA by the body. Supplements like fish oil capsules can also help ensure adequate intake, especially if dietary sources are limited. Number 4. Magnesium. Magnesium plays a crucial role in nerve signal transmission by acting as a natural calcium channel blocker. It helps regulate the flow of calcium in and out of nerve cells, a key player in nerve signaling. When the body lacks enough magnesium, it can disrupt this balance, leading to overactive nerve signals, increased excitability, muscle twitches, cramps, and irregular heart rhythms. Long-term deficiency can contribute to chronic neuropathic pain conditions and worsen symptoms for those already dealing with nerve-related disorders. Magnesium is abundant in various foods, including leafy greens, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and legumes. Supplements are also available for those who struggle to meet their daily requirements through food alone. If you are wondering if you are deficient in magnesium, do check out my other video on magnesium deficiency in the link above and down below in the description box. Number 3. Alpha-lipoic acid. Alpha-lipoic acid is a unique antioxidant that can work in both water and fat-soluble environments, neutralizing free radicals that cause oxidative stress in nerve cells. This oxidative stress is a major driver of nerve damage and dysfunction, leading to inflammation and nerve cell membrane breakdown. Alpha-lipoic acid helps combat this stress by protecting and preserving nerve cells. It also supports nerve repair by stimulating the production of glutathione, a potent antioxidant. Alpha-lipoic acid is naturally found in red meat, organ meats, and certain vegetables like spinach and broccoli. Supplements such as capsules and tablets can be taken but should be used under healthcare professional guidance due to varying dosages and forms. Number 2. Acetyl L-carnitine. Acetyl L-carnitine, also known as ALCAR, is a naturally occurring amino acid derivative that supports and rejuvenates nerve cells. It enhances energy production within nerve cells by transporting fatty acids into the mitochondria, powerhouse of cells. ALCAR also supports nerve regeneration, promoting the growth of nerve fibers, which is crucial for individuals with nerve damage or neuropathic conditions. It helps combat oxidative stress, a major factor in nerve cell damage and dysfunction, by neutralizing harmful free radicals. It also enhances the production of nerve growth factor, NGF, a protein essential for nerve cell growth, maintenance, and repair. ALCAR is available in supplement form and can be taken orally. Last but not least, we have number 1, curcumin. Curcumin is an active component of turmeric, a spice commonly used in Indian cuisine and has been recognized for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It reduces inflammation in nerve tissue, which can lead to nerve damage and dysfunction. Curcumin supports nerve regeneration by promoting the growth of nerve cells and aiding in the recovery of damaged nerves. Turmeric is a versatile spice that can be added to a wide range of dishes, including curries, soups, and rice. However, it's essential to note that the curcumin content in turmeric is relatively low and its absorption can be limited. To reap the full benefits, some individuals opt for curcumin supplements which offer a more concentrated dose. These supplements are available in various forms such as capsules and powders. If you'd like to find out more about turmeric's other benefits, do check out my other video on 9 body-changing turmeric benefits after you have finished watching this video in the link above and down below in the description box. And there you have it, 9 supplements that help strengthen your nerves. Do you or someone you know experience nerve problems? Comment below. If you enjoyed this video, do like and share this video so that more people will learn about these nerve-loving supplements. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos of health tips for women, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.